Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you 5 best survival shovel multi-tool. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included a link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. Zune Lotoo Survival Shovel Multi-Tool 28-in-1 Luxury Kit. Tactical Camping Folding Shovel. Unbreakable martensitic steel, adjustable 7 angles, 24.35 to 35.4 inches length. Compact gear for outdoor hiking emergency. Material: alloy steel, aluminum, silicon. Brand: Zune Lotoo. Item weight: 3.97 pounds. Handle material: alloy steel. Blade length: 21.2 centimeters. Blade material: alloy steel. Grip type: ergonomic. 7 key angles lock pattern. One-handed operation. 1 key to quickly adjust 7 angles. The compact survival shovel kit provides the fastest rescue in an emergency. Make your camping trip, off-roading adventure, backpacking, hiking, and get outdoors more safer. Patent number ZL 2014-131679.8. Sturdy survival tool. The durable tactical shovel head is made of martensitic steel and cast in one piece. The thickest part is as high as 1.3 centimeters, HRC 60, and it can bear 1,984 pounds. It will not rust in salt water for 25 days and will not break in cold weather of -60 degrees. All-in-one multi-tools. The camping shovel folding multi-tool has shovel blade and ox blade in the shovel surface. Great for shoveling, chopping, cutting, sawing, digging, hammering. Also includes bottle opener, survival whistle, camera support, fire starter, wire saw, and rope. Number 2. Folding Camping Shovel Axe Kit. Multifunctional survival shovel with stainless steel pickaxe, pliers, compass, locking scissors, magnetic flashlight. For camping, snow, hiking, survival gear. Color: black and silver. Material: aluminum, stainless steel. Brand: Siren Bow. Item weight: 4.5 pounds. About this item: durable and rust-resistant material, made of high-strength Mariganoid austenitic stainless steel with surface hardening and heat treatment. This military-grade shovel is produced through a 60-ton integrated stamping process. It is extremely hard, wear-resistant, and rust-proof, capable of withstanding various harsh outdoor conditions. Multifunctional military shovel, including a shovel, saw, knife, outer hexagon wrench, compass, and window breaker. Perfect for shoveling, chopping, sawing, quickly find the direction, digging, hammering, and paring. Ideal for camping, hiking, off-road adventures, fishing, hunting, and emergency situations. Number 3. RHINO USA Folding Survival Shovel with Pick. Heavy-duty carbon steel military-style entrenching tool for off-road, camping, gardening, beach, digging dirt, sand, mud, and snow. Material: carbon steel. Color: black. Brand: RHINO USA. Item weight: 2 pounds. Style: military e-tool. Handle material: carbon steel. Blade length: 8.2 inches. Blade material: carbon steel. American-owned, family-operated. Join the RHINO USA family and support a father-son business with the best USA-based customer support. 3-in-1 multi-purpose. Features a versatile design with a 180-degree shovel, 90-degree pickaxe, and 90-degree pick hoe, allowing you to tackle various tasks with a single tool. Compact and portable. Measures a full 22 inches long when extended, but folds down to just 9 inches by 6 inches for easy storage in the included heavy-duty carry case. Weighs only 2 pounds for effortless portability. Carbon steel construction. Engineered from carbon steel with a black powder-coated finish for enhanced strength, corrosion resistance, and a sleek, durable appearance.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.